Hi everyone, this is Sam Creating the Hearts, and I am back to make some cards with you guys today. Today we're going to do slimline cards. I'm actually using I believe it is a sheet load of cards for, I want to say January. So I'll try to put either the link or the hashtag for this particular month so that if you want to get all of the measurements, you could do that. And of course, you can always adapt the measurements that you see there. Maybe you just like the layout. Maybe you don't want to make a bunch of cards. But, you know, you can kind of play around with it. Just a good way to get some ideas. So I'm going to be using the little ladybugs from Not Too Shabby Shop. This is the March box of the month. So the March box of the month is adorable. It's very spring themed. It comes with 3 super cute stamp sets, 2 paper pads, 2 ephemera packs. It's adorable. And so I've got 2 of the stamp sets here with me. I'm trying to think if I use this one. I don't think I did use this one. I think I mostly just focused on the little ladybugs paper and the ephemera and some of the sentiments from here. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to go ahead and make 4 cards today. They're all going to have a very similar layout. And so this is a really good way, I think, of using your ephemera is to do, you know, quick cards. I mean, there's lots of things you can do with ephemera. I show a lot of them on my channel, different ways that I've used ephemera. I try to do different things. Okay, and so I'm going to go here. And so my slimline, I believe, I want to say it is 3 1/4 by 6. But you always can adapt it. There's some adaptability, I think, in the mini slimline, especially if you make your own envelopes and things like that. You know, you've got, definitely have some leeway in how you make it. So, and the paper is just so fun and vibrant, and because it's double-sided, you can get a lot of different types of looks. Okay, and then I've got this really cute image from the ephemera. I want to say, did I use all the ephemera? I think you'll get a chance to see almost all the paper that is in here, because all my paper has been used. So these are all projects. I kind of did a bunch of projects, and then now I'm making a bunch of videos on them. So it's card 1. It's kind of how I do it sometimes, because I don't have tons of time to craft. A lot of times I craft in stages. So like I'll stamp and color and die cut or cut out a bunch of images. And then I figure out what I'm going to do, and then I cut all my paper, and then I'll put it all together on camera. Is usually how I do it. Because I don't live super close to work, so I'm doing a lot of commuting. And I'm on a couple of special things I'm working on that kind of takes up a lot of my time. Okay, so there we go. And of course, these will go much quicker than doing it at home because I have everything already cut and ready to go. And I'm using my ATG, which is super fast. I remember to put, sorry, I have glue over here that I didn't put my stopper in. There we go. And here we go with this cute ephemera. I think this year I might do cards as gifts. I have so many cards. I do give them away. I do send them to different places that distribute them, to like hospitals and things like that. But I still have a lot of cards. So almost on card number 3. It really gives you a chance to really see all of the paper. So if you're not sure whether you're on the fence about the box or about getting the paper or the ephemera, you can see all of that here. I think this one's my favorite. This one has the ladybug spots, and then it has this like scallop. I think that one might be my favorite of this bunch. And you can make a lot of projects. Okay, and then there's this one. So I might do another like what to do with scraps video. I might case another design team member's idea. So we'll see how that goes. Depends on the time that I have, because I've got other projects I'm looking at doing. So the Spring Blessings, I want to say, is from the Gnome stamp set. I'm gonna kind of do that one at an angle. There's that one. And last but not least, I want to do this one right here. You can see that I definitely really did my best to use all the different sides of paper. Just really so you guys can see what everything looks like once it's all on there. Okay. All right. Yeah, this is one of my favorite layouts. I've done this one a couple of times. Whenever I'm trying to figure out like what to do, I always come back to this mini slimline. There's not a lot of waste, and it really showcases cute paper, so that's why. Okay, so let's recap. Here's this card right here. This one right here. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Crane at the Heart.